The Events feature in AccessAlly allows course creators to configure powerful automations based on user activities on the membership site. To configure events, you can go to AccessAlly Events. We'll add a new event. When we are creating an event, it's always a good idea to give it a descriptive name. There are a few trigger conditions for an event. It can either be when user logs in, when user visits a page, or when the user completes certain objectives. Next, you can configure how often this event is triggered. It can either be once or every single time that the event happens. For the login and page visit event, the common use case for when a user logs in or when a user visits certain pages is to add a tag in the CRM. This allows you to trigger additional automations such as reminder sequences for when these events happen. Another use case for the event feature is to track a user progress and tag them accordingly. To configure that option, you can select the when user completes objectives as the trigger condition. Next, we will select the page that contains the objectives we want to track. When combined with the autocomplete video objective type, this event can be a great way to tag users who have watched certain videos to completion, so you can trigger further promo information for those particular clients. I will check the video objective that is completed after the user have watched 2 minutes of the video. And for the action, I will tag the users who have watched the video so that they will be differentiated from the ones who have not. Once that's done, I can save the event. The events feature also allows the course creator to chain events into other objective completion. For example, I can configure an objective to be automatically checked off when a user has visited a specific page. To achieve that, I will create a new event. And for the trigger condition is when the user visits a specific page. In this example, I will select when the user visits the sample page. You can also choose to add multiple pages to the list. For the action, I will select check objective as completed. First, I will select the page that contains the objective that I want to check off. And you will see that certain objectives are grayed out. Only objectives that the user can manually check off can be configured as an action in AccessAlly events. In this case, I will select the Visit the Sample Page option. Please note that this is a very powerful feature and you can chain multiple events together using the objective completed as the trigger and the action. But please use that with caution, as a complicated event chain would become very difficult to debug. Once you have configured the condition, we can click on Save. And this is how to use the AccessAlly Events feature to configure advanced automations on your course site.